Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about fully funded scholarship program in Russia in 2024. This scholarship program is offered by the University of Skoltech. Skoltech is a private university in Russia which is located in Moscow. So Skoltech has offers a wide range of pre-masters and pre-PhD programs in various fields for the international students. So if you are looking for the opportunity to study in Europe for free for your master's or PhD programs, guys, this is the best option for you to look at because this is fully funded scholarship program. And also for this scholarship program, it doesn't require any application fees. And also there is no requirement for the IELTS or TOEFL. And last but not least, there is no age limit. So this is really excitement, right? So let's see in details. I already prepared the PDF file. If you want to check or if you want to download, you can get the link from my channel description. So now let's see the details of this scholarship program. Skoltech Scholarship Program details in 2024. The university name is a Skoltech University. The degree level the offers for masters and PhD. Scholarship coverage fully funded. Eligible nationality, it must be international. And host country is in Russia. And the last date of the application is 10th of July 2024 for masters and 3rd of July 2024 for PhD programs. So now let's see what are the duration for this scholarship program. So for master's degree, it will be for 2 years. For PhD degree, it will be for 4 years. So what are the benefits we can get from this scholarship program? So as I said before, this is fully funded scholarship program. That means it will cover all your tuition fees and living expenses. So when you study in Russia, you doesn't have to pay anything. So this is totally free for you. And also you will receive monthly stipend, which is approximately 40,000 Russian money per month. And also you will get the free medical insurance. So this is real good, right? So now let's see what are the available fields for master's and PhD degree. So you can see all these programs is for a master's. So you can check from here or you can check from their official website. So this all is for the doctoral program. So you can see from here. And now let's see what are the documents you require for this scholarship program. So first and foremost important part is you must be an international student. You need a good motivational letter. You need updated CV of yours. You need English proficiency certificate of IELTS or TOEFL. If you doesn't have any of these, this is totally fine. If your degree taught in English, so you can use your medium of instruction later and you can get this letter from Joint University. That's totally okay. And also you need a copy of transcript or certificate from your bachelor and diplomas. You need two recommendation letter from your professors or from your supervisors. And optional, you need a GRE certificate. So if you doesn't have a GRE certificate, then don't be panic. That's totally fine because without GRE also you can apply and you can get the scholarship. So that's totally okay. This is optional. It's not mandatory. So now let's see what are the eligibility criteria for Russian scholarship. So as I said before, if you doesn't have TOEFL or IELTS score, still you can apply with medium of instruction later. And for master's and doctoral program, you have to keep that in mind. Your bachelor's and master's degree must be from an accredited university. So this is very important part. And now let's see what are the application deadline. So the application deadline is 10th of July 2024 for master's degree and 3rd of July 2024 for doctoral program. So uh, that date can be changed. So you have to check in 2024 June in their official website in if they change the deadline for this scholarship program or not, June or July. So you have to check in that time. So just keep that in mind, like you have to check in June if you are interested to apply for this scholarship program. So now how you can apply? This is totally online application. So you have to apply in online platform. So first, what you have to do is you have to fill up the online application form, and then you can get the access for the portal where you can upload your all documents and information, and you have to submit it, and you will get the notification of your updated application. So yeah, and I already put the link, application link in here, so you can directly apply for your scholarship directly from here. So yeah, so let's see how you can apply. This is the application form for Spalding University. So first you have to fill out your first name, your phone number, your email address, and you have to choose the degree you want to anticipate it. So for masters, you can choose the program from here. Then you have to write your country of citizen in here. You have to click in here, and then you have to click on continue button. So when you like click on continue, so it will actually give you the access to the portal, so where you can upload all your documents and information. But for now it is closed, so they will open in 2024 in June. So in that time I can get the access for this platform. So yeah, so in that time, like in June 2024, you can check and you can apply. But if you have any problem, so if you are request me to show you how you can apply fully step by step, so you can ask me in comment section. So I will make another video in 2024. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope this will help you all. And yeah, that's all for today. So if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question regarding your application, you can write me a comment or you can directly email me. So I will try to help you all. And yeah, thank you for watching.